to my channel. I'm Yandy D. Thanks for stopping by. You all, I have received some hair for my hair company. This hair was sent to me out of China, and I have been wanting to do this review for like a week and a half ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the packaging off. I received this hair from this company called PF. I'm gonna get closer so you can see. There's the P and there's the F, okay? And this is 100% human hair. I'm going to do this review and I'm going to show you how I put the unit on and how it's styled. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and open up the box. You all, it's packaged really nice. A nice storage box for you. All right, this is what it came out of a bag like this. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And this is what it is. It is a curly wig, and y'all know all about this kind of stuff here, hair nets. And I'm gonna take the little stuffing out. This is called a Brazilian version human hair. It was sent to me in 22 inches, you all. The inside of it, these are the spaces so you all can see that. There is 1, 2 combs, okay? There's the lace there, and then here in the back, there is a nape comb here for the back, okay? And then you have an adjustable strap here. I'm gonna turn it inside out loud so you all can see that, okay? Okay. It has really pretty baby hairs on it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Is go ahead and pause this video and put this unit on. Now I know y'all know how you gonna put a unit on. You got braids in your hair, yeah, but I'm kind of have already preset this video a little bit, so you don't have to sit here watching me take braids out and things like that. And by the way, these are rope twists, okay? And I love them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this baby on. I'm not gonna show you all how I cut the lace because so many of you all already know how to cut lace. A 360. Okay, y'all, I have cut the lace and I have the unit on. I just want to say this. Do not cut your lace straight across. Cut it in the angle of how your hairline is. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this down over my head. So I took my jacket off, y'all, because I don't want to mess my jacket up. Okay, so I'm going to get up close so y'all can see where I have cut the lace. Go ahead and take up the glue. I'm going to go ahead and spray around the areas where I'm going to seal this down on. So like around here. I have to get my mirror so I don't spray my eyes. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And I like to do mine from the middle first. And then I start with the sides. Tacked on really good. And there's some pretty baby hairs here. Get up closer so y'all can see. I'm gonna go ahead and, before I wet the hair down, show you the parting in the hair. There is parting space here in the middle that goes for about 4.5 inches long. I'm gonna part this side here and see how far we can go on the sides. So you do have side parting. Okay, right there. That's a real deep part. That's about 5 inches, 4.5, 5 inches. I love that. I will probably have to tweeze a little bit when I get ready to wear parts and things like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna part this side over here so y'all can see. so you can see. Very good parting. I love that deep parting. So yeah, the texture is very good. This is a Brazilian curly hair, and the texture feels really good, y'all. What I'm doing right now is just pulling through the hair, just so that y'all can see. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and wet this hair down, and we're gonna see what it does, okay? So I'm gonna speed this up. Let's first just start getting the hair. And in this, I have aloe vera juice, y'all, and water. Wow, this hair is really nice. I'm really feeling it. Wow. What I'm gonna do now, you guys, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Mystic Argan Monarch oils. This is a leave-in conditioner, and you wanna shake it up real good. Squirt some on my palms of my hand. I'm gonna just run a little bit through it. Very important to protect this hair. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of my Cantu, which is this stuff right here, you all. Cantu Natural Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. Quite frankly, you don't need but just about a nickel size of it. This is just to kind of keep the hair from drying. Okay, so I'm gonna rub a little bit through it, paying close attention to these ends. Wow, there's a little bit of shedding I want to show you. It's not very much. I'm just gonna hold it up so y'all can see. Okay, very minimum. I'm going to go ahead and put my mousse on. You know, I love this stuff here. This is called Smooth Shine. With curly hair, you want to put some mousse on it. Okay, so I have finished putting the lace on and installing it. I have it up in a little donut bun, and I'm just pulling it out of the donut bun and just swinging it in one single little ponytail. Now, the ponytail is not the best looking ponytail, you guys, but I just want you to see what it looked like in a single ponytail. You guys have the idea. So now I'm just letting it down and running my fingers through, and just measuring it a little bit. It's pretty long, and I'm just doing a flip over and swinging my hair from side to side to let you all see how much body is in this hair. Full of body, very manageable, very, very soft. I give this hair 5 stars. Now you see me just parting the hair, just doing a side part. The parting is a very deep part, between 4.5 and 5 inches, as I've said. I'm just doing a little side look, and I'm just really having fun with this hair. So now I am just going to go ahead and do kind of like a little middle part. It's not quite completely in the middle, but just a little, just to show you how it looks with it being parted in the middle. The parting is really good, super cute parting spaces with this free part. Now I am spritzing the hair with water and aloe vera juice, and just to kind of give the hair a little bit more easy flexibility as far as me being able to finger combing with my fingers. The hair already has product on it. I am just having so much fun with this hair, you all. So now I'm doing a half up and half down, and the parting is so easy to use as far as with the comb, no tangling, just very easy to part. So now I'm pulling the hair up and I'm going to brush it upwards. And I'm just going to have one little ponytail up in the top half up. And the back will be down. And this hair just looks like it's my own hair. Super, super cute. PF Wigs has very, very good hair. High quality, professional looking hair. And I really like this. I like this half up and half down ponytail. Y'all see me, right? Alright, you all, this concludes my video of this hair by PF. The box here. Please visit the website. I will put the link below so that you can go and visit them and order this Brazilian version human hair. This hair is a professional human hair. It's affordable price. I'm going to show you the box again. Okay, y'all forgive me. I'm trying to look over the box, but it is very affordable. I love this hair. I have just showed you a few little with myself playing in the hair and putting it in different versatile styles. The hair is very versatile, so I will put this link below. I love this hair. I thank PF for sending me this hair. This is a hair company I had never heard of before. And I am so honored to be doing this video because y'all know how I am. I love getting really good quality human hair. And this hair is 22 inches. Y'all don't believe it, but it really is. It's so soft, very manageable. And I'm gonna get up closer so y'all can see. It didn't take me long to securely put this unit on or anything like that. It looks like it's my own hair. I really, really like this hair, y'all. So please go and visit PF online and purchase it and mention Yandy B and order you one, you all. I will come back with another review with this hair. And probably another week because I'm going to shampoo it in coconut milk. And I'm going to talk to you all about how you should take care of your Brazilian human hair weave from PF. I'm going to go ahead and put the box down. And y'all, I really love this hair. It's so, so soft. You cannot beat getting real human hair for this affordable price. And like I said, y'all, I stand about 5'3". And this hair is 22 inches, and look at how it's hanging on me. That is pretty long. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, y'all. Please visit PF. The hair is just beautiful. I love it. Thank you all for watching this video, and I hope that I see you all going to the website, ordering this hair, and leaving your comments in the comment section so I can read about your experience with this human hair, or just if you don't want this particular style, there's other selections that you can choose from, okay? So I'm gonna say goodbye, and I will see you all soon.